Go find it. Where is it? Okay, so this is where we pretended to hide the ball in a number of different spots. And he watched. It's not out there.
Covered.
You got to do this in 6 minutes. It's all the time I have left on the video before the memory. That's Opal. She's not looking. Well, she's looking, but she doesn't know what she's looking for. Copper, come here. Find the ball. Come here. Find the ball. Go find it. Go find it. He's looking at a couple places that you pretended to, but he's
looking where we hit it before.
He's doing his grid. Back here, Copper. Opal, come. Get her disobedience on that. Is it behind the pillow? Yeah, the ball is there. He's just... Get it! Go ahead. Oh, I shouldn't... I don't know if I'm supposed to tell him it's okay. He knows it's there. So this is good because they want to see what he'll do to get it. Oh, he's going to try and crawl through. Oh! Oops, didn't quite get it, but man, that was good. Good boy! Yeah! Good boy. That was good.